G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Apple Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter and the Belkin Lightning Audio plus Charge Rockstar adapter. So I'm going to unbox both of them and show you how to use them together and connect up your 3.5mm headphones and that sort of thing with it while still being able to charge your iPhone using that Belkin Lightning Audio plus Charge Rockstar adapter. So let's have a look at the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack from Apple. Opening this one up, there really is not much in here. We've just got this little card which holds the adapter, which is really, it's just a short little cable, lightning at one end for plugging into your iPhone and 3.5mm jack on the other end. Otherwise in the box is literally just a manual / warranty card. So let's have a close look at the Belkin Lightning Audio plus Charge Rockstar. Pull that out of the box, which it's actually coming out the bottom, which is a little different. It's just the adapter really, and a quick start guide here. Under that is our warranty card, and it's important to actually note that where it's saying what you can and can't use it for, because there's a very specific way you can use the adapter. It only supports audio and power on one port at a time, so you can't run two audio ins. You can alternate them either side. Basically what we want to do is get our adapter for the 3.5mm jack, plug that into one side, and we'll plug that into a phone. Now, so we want to put our headphones or microphone into that 3.5mm jack. So I've got this headphone plug, which I'm going to put in. So just noting it's a 3-pin TRRS adapter, and that is fully supported in this pass-through from the 3.5mm to Lightning to dual input Lightning plus charge adapter for the phone. So we've got that there. So our headphones connected up through to that adapter and then through to the phone, and then I'm going to put power into the other one. And so that is fully supported. So with that connected up, our phone can now charge at the same time as we have audio connected, either headphones, microphone, input, output, that sort of thing. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And if you're interested in grabbing one of these, head down to the description for my affiliate links. Bye for now.